Kinda when it comes off here, let her drop down, okay? I don't want the butt to go over in that other limb. Very nice. Outstanding job.
Well, guys, you know what that means. We're going to be doing a little bit of climbing today. We got a maple tree. It's in a pretty good spot. Got some landscaping there, you know, little rock walkway. Got all kinds of brickwork over here, you know. We don't want to be hitting none of that. Got a big old rock flower bed here, all kinds of nice stuff. I tell you what, you guys probably seen us here before. We did a sweet gum on the side of this house. Got really nice stuff in the yard, you know, and we want to appreciate that, take care of it. We got some power lines right here running through. This is the tree here, folks. So you can see how it's just tight. We're gonna have to do a bunch of rigging, bunch of roping, all that jazz. So we're gonna bring you guys along. If you guys enjoy this video, please be sure to leave it a like, you know, to help us bring it up in YouTube's algorithm, you know, help us get these videos out there for other people to see. I don't know, maybe a new climber might learn a little bit, you know. Never know. But anyways, we'll see you guys at the top. Thanks for watching. All right, prepping for cut. You ready? It's a tip rig, okay? So hold her tight. Yeah.
Okay, you know what, like,
Uh-huh.
I know she's wrong, though.
Yeah. I messed up right there. We got her tied up there. And we're gonna take this whole section, swing it over yonder there, so. Let's hope for the best, YouTube. Hope for the best. Ready?
Yeah.
It's tip tied, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Now we'll go up here and tie this one next, YouTube.
Kinda when it comes off here, let her drop down, okay? I don't want the butt to go over in that other limb. Very nice. Outstanding job.
maybe a little bit. Yep.
Have Gus get on there with you and try to pull that sideways. Take it out of the quarter wrap. Gus, help him out. Try to pull it over this way. You know what I mean? Try to get some slack out of it too. You should have to just give it little tugs at a time. Out of the porter wrap. Both of you put your hands on it. Let's not have a mishap like earlier. Let's just let it clear the line. We'll have to load it a little bit, kind of try to suck in some slack. Might not advise going that way. We'll go real slow. Over by the garage. Now give it a little tug. Yeah. Ready? Yep. Very nice.
Alright guys, we are getting her knocked out. We got pretty much the whole side widened over, you know, over that line. Now we're just over the house a little bit, over the shed a little bit. We already got the back side back in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we are getting ready to get the bed over the shed here. That's what we're gonna do. I just figured I'd catch you guys, kind of like a small intermission or something, you know what I mean? So, halftime! So YouTube, we got the rigging line set up here. Got a guide line, or a lead line out there, sorry, guide line. Lead line set up out there. We got a couple little hangers in here. I'm just gonna leave them in there. But rigging points up there. I think we're just gonna cut this whole arm here. Tree been topped before here. I think we're just gonna tip the whole thing in there. Gus is on the lead line because we got a couple little ones that might try to tangle up in here. So there's the plan, folks. Ready, Gus? Ready? Quarter wrap? Yep. Nice job, gentlemen. Alright, I'll take the rope, please. Thank you. Old Gus is coming along, YouTube. He's doing a fine job. Got a good worker. Took him a couple weeks to get it, but he got it and he's doing good now, YouTube. Got a good worker. All right.
It's about the same as last.
Maybe a hair bigger. You got that one? Okay.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's always better when they go where you need them.
Ready?
Very nice.
hey Gus, putting all his down weight on that rope, please. That gets it a little better than that sweat. I don't think that sweat works very good. Just get her as tight as we can, okay? Ready? Can I get you to go that way about 15 foot, buddy? Oh, Rusty's Tree Care. YouTube. Brandon from Rusty's Tree Care. See, we do big ones, buddy. I just ain't been doing a lot of big ones. I've been trying to save them through the winter, you know, but we've been doing small ones, kind of like the quiet before the storm, you know. So I seen you commented, you know, but here we are. We're doing a big one for you, boy. Woo! Triple here at YouTube, and I forgot to turn my camera on. There you go, James, you ready? I've been hitting that kill switch all day. Very nice. That's what it is. Good job, Gus. Good job, James. Yeah. Yep, there you are. Yeah. You good? I don't even know if I can hardly cut through this some. Alright, big enough. Nice job. We just about got her done. It's about 4 o'clock, I believe. Sun's going down. We're going to try to beat the sun. We're going to pull this one over. We took the secondary rigging point out. I'm just going to leave a ring in there. Feeling lazy. I'm going to tie the dirty on there. Oh, Chris, you know what we're talking about, buddy. I'm going to pull her over with the old dirty. Let's stay clear. Now take all them wood and brush and flip me some in there, boys. Really be sure it's on the concrete, you know what I mean? Put them together so nothing's gonna come down through there and get them. That's a good reason for cut downs, YouTube. Old squirrels got that packed of pecans. They're floating in water now. It's bad. It's hollow up here, YouTube. Old tops trees. That's a good reason we don't top trees if you can't help it, you know. Sometimes you just got to do it. Customer's in love with the tree. Don't want to lose it. And there it is. Way over that other log. Right. A little more. There. Nicely done. sure to get that off. All right, YouTube, so we're up on this spaghetti noodle. Last top we're gonna pull over. I think we're gonna pull, actually I lied. We're gonna take that one, pull it over, and I don't know about that one. We may grow some balls and try to pull it. Ready? James, we're finishing, dude. I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and two helds, dude. We're done. Yeah. Let it run a bit if we can. Yes, good. What'd you say, Gus? Okay. Yeah. I might have to move that ring a little bit. Yeah. YouTube, you just missed one of the biggest tops. Just came off there. Forgot to turn the camera on again. Golly. Hinge was right there, swung it right over the garage. Everything went okay. Homeowner standing there, so everything went okay. He even gave us your thumbs. You just forgot to hit the record button. Sorry, guys. That's the second time in this video. I am so sorry. Well, but anyways, we're gonna come over here. We got 1, 2, 3, maybe like 4 rigs, guys, and we're gonna call it a day, and that is gonna be it. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna climb up here, use this as a tie-in. Swing around, rig this wood, and rinse and repeat. Been up here, YouTube, about 7 hours, I believe. 6, 7, something like that. Feet left the ground maybe about 11 o'clock. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. Hey, boys. And my kiddos there. Oh, no, you ain't my kid. What's up, buddy? Woo! Slack. May not even come down. And YouTubies are so spindly here. I'm gonna do my you know, safety rigging here. We're gonna take this top first and stay tied to both. Then we'll stay tied to both, take that top there. That way we have 2 tie-ins. Safety first, folks. Did that crack that gosh damn rock? Yeah. Right there on the corner, didn't it? No, it ain't even where it hit. Okay. All right. A little bit of redundancy there, YouTube. You know, you see the cavity down there. Let me get all these ropes out of your way. See the cavity down there, so it's definitely got some decay, hollow, full of water. Yeah, want to watch that. What is the blue ring on the purple line? Watch that butt on them rocks. Of course, this isn't offering any redundance when the hollow's down there, YouTube. I, you know, just kind of thought about it, but these are spaghetti noodles, you know, so I just wouldn't trust one. I would rather trust 2. Yeah. Yeah. Just like this, we'll do the old double lanyard maneuver. Go around both stems, triangulate. Oh yeah, like so. Break that. Oop, a little far away. That's good. There you go, I'm done with this. Oh man, I hope I got my blue one. I don't, do I? Ah, send her back up. When you get tired. Yeah, okay, just whatever. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Thought I had my blue one. That's the short one. I'll just wrap it around there 15,000 times. Woo! 15,001. Back around there. A little redundancy, not much, but a little. It's that song, YouTube. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. All right. I'm ready too, James. I'm ready. Yeah. There it is. Right as the sun goes down, YouTube, we made it. We wanted to get it done for the homeowner because we got 20-mile-an-hour winds coming tonight, and you know, once you cut half the tree out, the other half of it ain't used to not having all that wind block there. So, you know, that's a prone time to have a failure. So you definitely want to get the tree down before the heavy winds come. So we did good. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave it a like. Check out the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. This is where we stopped today, YouTube. We got a tie in there, secondary here, just kind of hold me into the center of the tree a little better. We'll come back tomorrow morning, rig all this out, get all that cleaned up, get everything squared away. We'll have a happy homeowner. Yeah.